the solo speed retrieve, which is what you're watching, but it's one dog. It's a race against the clock, not a side-by-side race. So again, up on the dock. They are ready. And Sync flying. Wow, both of those reaction times insane. I looked at lane number 2 first, and Cheryl had a good one, and then I looked next to lane number 1, Robert, 0.008, Robert, on the reaction time, under a tenth of a second. And Cheryl not far behind, 0.066. So another good reaction time. Sync coming in and grabbing that one, though, stealing that race. 6.381 for the tiny mixed breed dog.